Hey folks, just want to bring you a quick review of this Comtex mechanical watch with a genuine leather band. I have the white version here, but it does come in gold, black, and rose gold. And this is a 40 millimeter watch dial, and it has a crocodile leather band. It's genuine leather as per the manufacturer, and being a mechanical watch, it doesn't need a battery, and it does have transparent back, so you can see the disc spinning and charging whatever mechanism is used inside. Here is the crown. Now, there was some sort of blue tape on it that seems to have been left into the grooves, and I'm pretty sure that's not meant to be, so hopefully over time it wears off, or I might have to figure out a different way to get that out. Other than that, the watch is very elegant, it's very clean, and it's not too showy. You can wear it in a professional environment or a black tie event without any problem. I'll show it to you on my hand what it looks like. Oops. Let me just put it on the right hand. So I don't have the biggest wrists, but at 40 millimeter it looks fairly good. I do also wear a Moto 360, which is I think 46 millimeter, and that does kind of look big on my wrist. So from that perspective, I think you can tell what this one is like. It's supposed to be water resistant up to 50 meter according to the Amazon listing, but I've only tested it, in washing my hands and things like that, and it's fine. It's working fine at running under the tap. Obviously, I haven't tested it to 50 meters depth in water. So what I like to do is throw on a macro lens and just kind of show you the close-up of the watch, just to give you an interesting perspective of what it looks like. But I think this is good for sort of overall view. The strap system is pretty standard for a leather band watch, one fixed and one moving loop, and that's about it. It hasn't gotten overly scratched, but just like any other stainless steel watch, I don't expect it to remain scratchless. It is all stainless steel, and you can see that there's some lettering around that says all stainless steel, steel water resistance up to 50 meter. Okay, let me throw on the lens and show you guys what it looks like close up. Okay, here's the watch up close. Now I can only hold it so steady, but you can see the detail and the fit and finish of the watch is really nice. It's very clean. Here is the leather band up close. You can see the stitching. Then let's go to the back. And let's look at the actual mechanism. Let's see if I can get that too. Okay, let's spin it around, see what the other side looks like. Quite intricate design and quite nice to look at. I definitely like this side better because you get to see that winding mechanism. And then let's look at the crown. So overall, really nice watch, and it sells for 179 Canadian dollars at the time of this review. I think that's a pretty good value for a fully mechanically driven automatic watch that you don't have to put batteries in ever. Another thing I do kind of admire about Comtex is that they just give you a very simple packaging. They don't try to pretend. with their fancy packaging or anything like that. It's just this box that comes with a basic lid and a pillow that you watches around, and then your manual and cleaning cloth. That's it. There's no fancy cards or things like that. It gives you a service guide in there, and like if your time is off or anything like that, how you can set it. And if you're looking for a professional watch, I'd highly recommend checking this out and at least putting it on your list that you are considering on your short list. Thank you for watching this review, and if it was helpful, give me a thumbs up.